Building a funnel in ClickFunnels is a straightforward process to guide your audience through a sales journey. Here's how to do it. Log in and start a new funnel. Log into ClickFunnels. Click Funnels in the dashboard, then Build Funnel. Choose a funnel type or start from scratch. Select a funnel goal. Choose from options like collect emails, sell your product, or host a webinar. Name your funnel and click Build Funnel. Customize funnel steps. ClickFunnels creates a series of pages based on your chosen goal. Customize each page using the drag and drop editor. Add elements like headlines, images, videos, forms, and call to action buttons. Edit copy to align with your offer and audience. Set up integrations. Connect email marketing services, payment gateways, or CRMs under Settings, Integrations. Test and launch. Use the preview option to ensure everything works as expected. Once satisfied, click Publish and share your funnel link.